हेलो जी, जिन्ने भी मेरे चैनल देख रहे हो सी उन सब नु मेरा प्यार भरा सत श्री अकाल। क्या चल रहा है? क्वेश्चन पुराना है ना, और आंसर वही, लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा है या ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहे हैं। So in this present day sedentary lifestyle wherein increase of computer usage and decreased physical activity, no trains, no metros, no running to catch the buses, it is the peak time that we understand the importance of being healthy. It is the peak time that we utilize our traveling time to do something productive. So the topic which I've chosen for today is weight reduction. The name suggests weight reduction means to reduce weight. लेकिन पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. It not only means to reduce weight, but it also means to maintain a lower body weight for a longer term. And this is what I want to convey through my video to all of you. वो orthodox वाली concept गई कि weight reduction is only for the overweight or the obese. Even if you are a normal weighted person, weight reduction is for you. अब ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप ओवरवेट हो, ओबीज हो, नॉर्मल वेट हो या अंडरवेट हो? There is a parameter called as BMI, which stands for Body Mass Index. अब ये क्या है? कुछ नहीं है, बताती हूँ मैं. It is just a measure that tells you कि आपके हाइट के अकॉर्डिंग आपकी appropriate, आपकी relative body weight कितनी होनी चाहिए. We have a formula to calculate this. Your weight in kgs divided by your height in meters whole square gives you the BMI. If your BMI lies between 18.5 to 24.9, you are a normal weight person. If your BMI lies between 25 to 30, you are an overweight person. And greater than 30 implies you are an obese. So, being overweight, being obese is not the same thing. And if your BMI is less than 18.5, you are underweight. ये पता चल गई कि weight reduction क्या होती है, ये भी पता चल गई कि which category you belong. So let's start with the weight reduction. When do we incur a loss? When your expenditure is more than your earnings. Similarly, when your energy expenditure is more than your energy intake, weight loss is yours. So the first step to weight reduction is caloric restriction. Keeping in mind that your calorie intake must reduce, but not your nutrient composition. At the end of this video, I've shared my story with you in which I reduced 12 kgs in 3 months. So watch the video till the end. And the second step to weight reduction is physical activity. Though its contribution is only 20%, importance wise it is 80%. Many sources say that more than 90% of the people who attempt to lose weight regain their lost weight when their dietary intervention is suspended, only because there was no scenario of physical activity in their lives.
With the help of this diagram, we can clearly understand that in case of a non-obese person, you gain your weight with the increase in the size of fat cells, and you lose your weight with the decrease in the size of fat cells. However, the number of fat cells remain constant, so the backward reaction is not possible. Whereas in case of an obese person, the maximally attained size of the adipocytes undergo proliferation, and hence there is increase in both the size and the number of fat cells.
Physical activity increases the cardiorespiratory fitness and decreases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, be it stroke, be it ischemic heart disease, which are the world's largest killers. It also regulates your BP and prevents you from having diabetes type 2. रिड्यूस करना है और उसका इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट होता है फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. Now many people ask me what to start with because exercise is very boring for you, for me, for anyone. So I actually started with yoga. और आप एक काम कर सकते हो which is enjoyable. कोई भी बॉलीवुड म्यूजिक लगाओ, आधा घंटा जम के कार्डियो या फिर एरोबिक करो, enjoy your exercise and then you'll be healthy. Thank you.